This video is made by Jo Just Pumazin. Go and subscribe her incredible channel. In this video, we're gonna tell you makeup guides and useful tips for girls. Before diving into it, make sure to subscribe our channel if you like the video. Before you dive in, know your skin type. Is it dry, oily, or combination? This will help you choose the right products. Start with a clean canvas. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser and apply a moisturizer with SPF to keep your skin hydrated and protected. Basic makeup routine. Concealer. Apply a small amount of concealer that matches your skin tone to cover blemishes or dark circles. Blend it out with a brush or your fingertips. Foundation. Optional. If you want a more even base, use a foundation that matches your skin tone. Apply a thin layer and blend it outwards from the center of your face. Powder. Optional. Set your foundation with a translucent powder to keep your face shine-free, especially if you have oily skin. Blush. Add a pop of color to your cheeks with a light application of blush. Smile and apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks. Mascara. Curl your lashes if you want to, and then apply mascara to your upper lashes for definition. You can also add mascara to your lower lashes for a more dramatic look. Extra fun. Eyeshadow. Play with eyeshadow colors to create different looks. Shimmery shadows can brighten your eyes, while matte shadows can add depth. There are endless eyeshadow looks to explore. Eyeliner. Eyeliner can make your lashes look thicker and your eyes appear bigger. Start with a thin line and experiment with different shapes. Lipstick, lip gloss. Keep your lips hydrated with a chapstick. You can also add a pop of color with lip gloss, lipstick, or lip tint. Experiment and find what makes you feel confident. Additional tips. Less is more. Especially when you're starting out, it's better to apply a little bit of makeup and build up the coverage if needed. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is key to a natural-looking makeup application. Clean your brushes regularly. This helps prevent bacteria growth and ensures smooth makeup application. Don't be afraid to experiment. Makeup is a fun way to express yourself. Find what works for you and makes you feel beautiful. Here are some resources you might find helpful. Drugstore versus high-end makeup. Knowing the difference can help you decide what products to buy. There are great drugstore finds that can give you the same look as high-end products. Makeup tutorials. There are countless makeup tutorials online for beginners and experienced makeup users alike. You can find tutorials for specific techniques or looks that interest you. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with applying makeup. Don't get discouraged if it takes some time to perfect you. Technique. Remember, there are no rules in makeup. Have fun and enjoy the process of creating a look that makes you feel confident and beautiful. So, that it is for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this and learned something through it.